Denise Morris here, and today's quick fix video is talking about the history chat in Teams. Have you ever added someone to Teams chat and then had to re-explain everything that already happened? Well, Microsoft finally fixed that. Let me show you how to do it. In Microsoft Teams, we know that we can only add people to a group chat, not a one-on-one chat, and Teams will require you to start a brand new conversation. So here I have a conversation with Faye, and I want to add someone to our chat. I will click on the person with the plus sign. I will choose start a group chat, and now I'll enter the name of who I want to add to this chat. We shall add Miguel and click create. So I've added Miguel, and maybe I want to add another person. I click to add people, and it once again asks me who I want to add, but it also includes, don't include chat history, include history from the past number of days, and include all chat history. Choose the option that makes sense based on what they need to do. And once you add them, they'll instantly become part of this group chat and they'll see the exact amount of history you selected. It's a great way to bring someone up to speed without forwarding messages or copying them. There you have it. Also, if someone needs context but not an entire conversation, choose a limited history window. It saves time and keeps the chat focused. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.